In Bihar, the election battle has officially turned into a war of manifestos. Days after the Mahagathbandhan unveiled their manifesto titled Tejaswi Ka Pran, the NDA has released its own Sankalp Patra promising 1 crore government jobs and 1 crore Lakpati Didis. The two manifestos, released just days apart, set the tone for one of Bihar's most high stakes elections in years. The NDA's Sankalp Patra was released in Patna on October 31. It places employment and women empowerment at the heart of its campaign. The alliance has pledged to create 1 crore government jobs and help 1 crore women under the Lakpati Didi Yojana to become financially independent. It also promises to develop industrial corridors, enhance healthcare services, improve education, and enforce robust law and order across the state. The NDA described its vision as one focused on growth and good governance. The manifesto highlights infrastructure development, rural employment schemes, and youth entrepreneurship as central pillars of Bihar's future under the NDA.
ये बिहार की जनता को समर्पित है। बिहार एनडीए को लगातार समर्थन देते रहा है और बिहार की जनता अब विकास 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 के मॉडल पर चल रही है और बिहार की जनता जानती है कि एनडीए की सरकार मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में, नीतीश जी के नेतृत्व में, चिराग पासवान जी के नेतृत्व में, जीतन राम मांझी जी के नेतृत्व में, उपेंद्र कुशवाहा के नेतृत्व में विकास और डिलीवर लोगों के जनता तक सुविधा पहुंचाने का काम एनडीए की सरकार कर रही है। इसलिए हमें पूर्ण भरोसा है कि जनता में हमने काम किया है और आगे हम भी करेंगे।
The Mahagathbandhan, led by Tejaswi Yadav, had already fired the opening salvo earlier this week with its Tejaswi Ka Pran manifesto. It promised one government job per family along with social welfare guarantees including unemployment allowances, pensions for senior citizens, and enhanced support for women and farmers. The alliance also vowed to abolish the prohibition law, ensure minimum support prices for crops, and provide more autonomy to the Waqf board. It positioned its agenda as one that focuses on social justice, employment generation, and inclusive welfare, framing Tejaswi Yadav's campaign as a push for change against what it calls unfulfilled promises of the ruling alliance. The two manifestos now stand as competing visions for Bihar's future, one banking on continuity and governance, the other on change and expansion of welfare.
हम लोगों ने हमेशा बिहार की जनता के सामने, आप लोगों के समक्ष अपनी बात को रखा है और आज भी बेहद खुशी की बात है कि आज हम सब लोग महागठबंधन के सभी साथी मिलकर के साझा रूप से आप लोगों के समक्ष, बिहार के लोगों के समक्ष संकल्प पत्र जो है रखा है, यानी हम लोगों का प्रण है कि बिहार को नंबर 1 कैसे बनाएं।
Both sides are betting heavily on job creation and women's empowerment, signaling that employment and social equity will dominate this election cycle. For now, the manifestos have set the stage for a mega battle which will decide which promise turns into policy.